Good morning, students. Today we are going to start assignment 1 and question number 7. So now it is given in the questions, satisfy the commutative property of addition for some values of x and y. So you can see in the first question, the value of x is 2 by 7 and the value of y is 1 upon 3. And to satisfy commutative property of addition, we can write x plus y equals to y plus x. Now we will replace the value of x and y to the left hand side and right hand side, and we will see if the both answers are same, then commutative property of addition will satisfied, otherwise the property will not satisfied. So now we are going to replace the value to the left hand side. We have replaced x equals to 2 by 7 plus 1 upon 3. Then you will see 7 and 3 have LCM of 21. Finally, on solving the equation, we will get 13 upon 21 for left hand side. In the same way, when you will solve right hand side, we are also getting 13 upon 21. Now you can see left hand side and right hand side values are same. That's why we can say commutative property of addition is satisfied. In the next question, you will see the value of x is minus 3 upon 5 and value of y is 7 upon 10. Again we will solve in the same manner, and finally we will get 1 upon 10 for left hand side. And on solving the right hand side, 7 upon 10 plus minus 3 upon 5, we are also getting 1 upon 10. You can see here also x plus y equals to y plus x equals to 1 upon 10. Therefore, we can say commutative property of addition is satisfied. In the same way, in the next question, we have to satisfy commutative property of multiplication. So I am going to tell you, for two variables x and y, we can write commutative property of multiplication x as x into y equals to y into x. Again we are going to substitute the value of x and y and x. We will see finally we are getting minus 1 upon 21 in both the cases. Here we can say commutative property of multiplication is also satisfied. In the next question, there are three values of x, y and z, and a property is written which is known as associative property of addition, because we are grouping two variables at the same time. Now we will check x plus y plus z equals to x plus y plus z. It means we will satisfy the associative property of addition. Now you can see when we replace the value of x, y and z to the left hand side, then 3 upon 2 plus 1 upon 4 plus minus 5 upon 2. Finally we are getting minus 3 upon 4. In the same way, when we are solving right hand side, we are also getting minus 3 upon 4. It means we can say associative property of addition is satisfied, because left hand side and right hand side has the same value, minus 3 upon 4. In the same way, in the next question, we have to satisfy associative property of multiplication. On replacing the values, you will see in the left hand side we are getting minus 15 upon 16. In the same way, right hand side we are getting minus 15 upon 16. We can say associative property of multiplication is also satisfied. In the 10th question, you will see show that minus times minus x equals to x. When we are replacing minus and minus, finally we are replacing x equals to minus 1 upon 11 upon 15. The starting two signs will become positive. Finally we will get minus 11 upon 15. See the next question. It is given in the question by regrouping, suitable regrouping. We have to solve the question. Minus 3 upon 2 plus 4 upon 5 plus minus 3 upon 5 plus 1 upon 2. You can say the first rational number and the last rational number have the same denominator too. That's why we will regroup together first term and fourth term, second term and third term. Starting terms are like term, that's why we can add minus 3 plus 1 upon 2 plus 4 plus minus 3 upon 5. Finally, when you will take the LCM of 2 and 5, we will get 10, and on solving we are getting minus 4 upon 5. In the second question, you can see 4 upon 7 plus 2 upon 7 equals to 1 upon 2. So you can say on regrouping we are getting 4 upon 7 plus 2 upon 7 because they have the same denominator. On finally solving, we are getting 6 upon 7 plus 1 upon 2. Now denominators are different, that's why we will take the LCM of 7 and 2, that is 14. And finally, we are getting the answer 19 upon 14. In the same way, next question is for multiplication. So you can see the first rational number and third rational number are divisible by 11. That's why we are regrouping. In the first two number we are dividing by 11, and in the last two rational number we are dividing by 13, and finally we are getting 8 upon 3. In the same way we are regrouping in all the questions. Now you can see question number 12, 9 upon minus 13 into 12 upon 21 minus 9 upon minus 13 into 5 upon 21. You can see in the first bracket and in the second bracket we have a common rational number 9 upon 13. That's why we can take 9 upon minus 13 as a common. जब हम 9 upon 13 को कॉमन लेंगे तो फर्स्ट ब्रैकेट में 12 upon 21 और सेकेंड ब्रैकेट में 5 upon 21 बचेगा. Twenty-one is a common denominator, that's why we can write 12 minus 5 7, 7 1 7, 7 1 7 1 7 and 7 3 are 21. Finally we are getting minus 3 upon 13. In the next question you can also see minus 2 upon 3 is a common term, that's we will take common. In the first bracket 7 upon 19 will left, and in the second bracket 2 upon 19 will left. Finally on solving we are getting minus 6 upon 19. In the next question you all see minus 11 upon 14 is a common term, and in the same way as previous question when we are taking minus 11 upon 14 as common, then in the first bracket 6 upon 13 will left, and in the second bracket 7 upon 13 will left. 13 is a common denominator, that's why we can add 6 plus 7, 13 upon 13. It will get cancelled out, and finally we will get minus 11 upon 14. And in the last question we can see 4 upon 5 is a common term. We will take 4 upon 5 as a common, then 1 upon 2 minus 3 upon 5 will left. Finally 2 and 5 have LCM of 10, and we will solve it. We will get minus 2 upon 25. Thank you student. Still you have any problem, then you can send me your problem to WhatsApp number. No need to call me again and again. You can send me your problem to WhatsApp number. I am always ready to help you. Thank you.